Hello and welcome back. For those visiting my channel for the first time, I try to build Papercraft models here using simple tools so that anyone can do it. For this project, we're going to try creating 2 new models. I'm not sure yet how long the video will be, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out.
Well, I already know I give you love.
As always, we start with the face part.
You open up just to close.
As you can see here, I mark what I scored with red line.
Trying to read your mind.
We begin by attaching the flap to the nose first. Please note that it is crucial for this first flap to adhere perfectly before attaching the other flaps.
Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on a spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin, so why you always halfway in? Halfway in. You hit me up when the nights get slow.
You can proceed to attach the cheeks on both sides.
Highs get lower. I ain't your maybe. Tell me what it is, 'cause I'm way too grown to be messing with a love like this. I give you love, but you ration yours. But you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love rules that change all the time.
Now we can start the full gluing process. Just follow what I'm doing, and we're good to go.
If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on a spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin, so why you always halfway in? Halfway in. Why you always halfway in?
Once the facial features begin to take shape, we can pause briefly to create a support for the back of the head.
I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on a spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin, so why you always halfway in? Halfway in.
Glue the flaps one by one. And let's proceed with gluing all the remaining parts.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire. Like a wildfire.
As usual, I'll cut the flap on the ear.
Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand.
Let's move on to the hair. I mark which flap I scored with red line.
Into golden sunlight. If I'm going with
We'll start with the largest section, the back of the head.
sinking in, I know this.
Bend flap as needed.
Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire. Like a wildfire.
After gluing first 2 flap, we can start gluing all flap around the hair one by one.
Oh,
Now we proceed to make support inside the hair. See two big flap inside the hair? That's where support part goes. And this is the last part for hair section. For bangs part, we only need to score 2 flaps at the top. We start from the center, then continue to both sides. Now, let's assemble everything.
All the girls with pretty mouths, they always walk your way. They follow you in cars and bars and even on airplanes. I'm special, yeah, I'm special, 'cause they just don't got, oh, they just don't got what I've got. I'm someone you can take home to meet your mom.
And with that, we've wrapped up the first part of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Since this project requires a significant amount of time and materials, I really appreciate if you like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future projects. See you again real soon.
It's gonna take time to get there.